That's life.
That's life.
Starter relay repair because my refrigerator was not cooling. This is the back of the refrigerator right here. Okay. Couple screws in this cardboard vent thing right here. There's one. Two. Pop those out. Pull away this cardboard vent thing. Okay, gang, look at here. I just replaced the new starter relay switch. You see it right there, the black and the white thing. Very simple. Just, it's a plug-in deal. Here's the old one right here. Occasionally they go bad. See there? It's just a simple plug-in deal. I got this part from Amazon, about 17 bucks. It comes plugged in just like you see it here. This actually unplugs. Let me get this unplugged for you. See, it's a two-part thing, but it comes already plugged in. It goes right into these two plugs right here. Here, in here, okay? Real simple. Another plug, which you can't really see from here, but plugs right into here. You plug it in. There's three prongs right into the black compressor. Right there, the black compressor. Make sure everything's off. Make sure your adjustments on the inside of the fridge are off. Plug it in. Turn your fridge on to cold, medium, whatever you like it, and you can actually hear the compressor working. I know I can. I don't know if you can, but a real simple fix. The refrigerator's fixed, and I'm very happy. I can take the bags of ice out of the refrigerator now and get back to business. Just because that one little starter relay switch right there. All you have to do is look up your model number, go to your refrigerator, find your model number, serial number. Just make sure you get the right one. Believe me, it's a real simple fix. If your refrigerator is not working, not getting cold in the freezer or the refrigerator, it could be that module right there. Starter relay switch, okay? Alrighty, just get the right model and serial number. Look it up, Google it, and you're in business. Attaches right to the compressor. I believe it's working now.